Hey guys, what's happening? How to send crypto from Kraken to Metamask. So go ahead and open up your Kraken, right? And obviously, because I have an account and already set and verified my identity on Kraken, I'm gonna move along to send crypto, right? And be prepare your own address from MetaMask if you have MetaMask, right? For crypto, for Bitcoin, okay, or whatever crypto that you use. And I'm gonna select the Bitcoin by clicking the portfolio at the bottom right, and I'm gonna check my assets. Let's say Ethereum. I'm gonna click the three dots at the top right, and I'm gonna withdraw to an external wallet, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and select the amount, obviously, and then hit add the new address, and of course select the network of your withdrawal address. Okay, make sure to know that because it's gonna be highlighted next to the coin, right? Next to the crypto coin. So I'm gonna, let's say, select Ethereum, right? And I'm gonna enter the withdrawal address, okay? And basically, I'm gonna be able to send the crypto from Kraken to MetaMask. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and catch you in the next time.